Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dwi Sudarno Putra. I'm coming from Departemen Otomotif Universitas Negeri Padang. Now we are in the 5th Borobudur International Symposium. Let me discuss my research result entitled Design and Development of a Black Box for Motorcycle. This research conducted by me and my friends Abdul Rahman, Wagino, Agus Baharudin, Milana, Habibullah, Vicky Mukhayar, and Yoli Fernanda. Okay, let's start with the background about the number of traffic accidents in Indonesia. We know that in 2020 the COVID is coming, so the number of accidents also decrease, but a lot of lockdown situation. But in 2021, the accident increase, and let's focus on this year's data. We have more than 25,000 fatalities and more than 10,000 severe injuries and almost 118,000 minor injuries, with the total loss in rupiah is 246 billion. Okay, from this number of data, it's dominated by the logistic truck accident, about 12%, and the yes for the first place in the accident is dominated by the motorcycle accident. It's around 73%. One of the supported is the fact that the number of motorcycle users in Indonesia in 2022 is more than 125 million unit motorcycle. This is data coming from Kata Data. And let's move to the another background is about the traffic accident investigation. In this picture, we can see that the policeman take the data, and also the policeman will record the witness of some people that see the accident. This interview may lead to the inaccurate data. And on the other hand, we also know that in the aeroplane, there is a black box technology that can be used to record the flight data. That's why in this research, we suggest a little bit same idea about the black box that store in the motorcycle. The data maybe can record is motorcycle speed and brake lamp activation time, turn signal activation time. So the investigator or the policeman can see the riding data. All the collected data then store in the data logger. Okay, to realize the idea, first we design the product using the Proteus, design the circuit, and we use the Arduino to process the data. This is the algorithm that we write the Arduino, and the box is designed like this. Uh, we use the metal material to store the electronic device. Okay, this is the experimental hardware realization. You can see this is the top view of the device. This is the bottom view of the electronic device that store compactly in this box. Okay, we choose the orange color. It's the same with the black box in the airplane. Okay, and then after we successfully develop the black box device, then we connect black box with the component motorcycle like turn sign lamp and speed data information and braking sign information. The box itself is stored in the motorbike trunk, or in Indonesia we call it bagasi sepeda motor. Okay, for the research result, we first check the data logging functionality. In this table, we can conclude that all the variables can be recorded. The variables are time, right sign, left sign, front brake, rear brake, and the speed of the motorcycle. Next, the research result is about the data log reading. You can see here that we have data contain the date, time, and the status of right sign signal, left sign signal, front brake signal, rear brake signal, and the speed information. The signal may be on and off, uh, correspond to the actual situation in the original component. And the speed also fluctuative based on the motorbike speed. Okay, this result we can conclude that the component status can be recorded in the real time. And from the experimental result, we can validate that the functionality of the device is okay, and the initial design can be realized well. And the second, the device can operate without any interference from another electrical vehicle system. And the black box can record important riding data, including speed, turn signal, braking event, and it can be recorded in the real time every second. The black box utilizes the SD card memory. This is the user-friendly accessibility, and the data stored in the TXT file or text file. This can be reduced the file size, and also this type of data can be opened or manipulated or modified by the PC or smartphone. So it no need to use the special instrument with the data. And the device is stored in the plate casing. This can enhance the durability, and minimize the risk of the damage during the accident. And as the conclusion, we can conclude that this research designed an electronic data recording using the microcontroller and install the system well in the motorcycle. And this black box also successfully record the crucial vehicle data or crucial motorcycle data, and it means that it can be offering the valuable data to the investigator, law enforcement, vehicle operator, the victim of the accident, and other stakeholders to identifying the cause of motorcycle accident clearly and precisely based on the data in the black box. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this presentation can give some new insight for all the audience. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.